to the Tres Fontainhas. This is where actually Brazil, Argentina, and Paraguay meet. And now it's time to give you all the update you've been waiting for as to which side I thought was the better side. For me, I think if I had to choose, drum roll, Brazil. Brazil took it home for me. It might be because it was the first side that I was on and experienced, and I think that could be a big contributing factor because obviously the first time you hear something and experience it, it's pretty incredible. So keep that in mind. But Argentina has some work to do. They actually had, I think, two of their main trails are actually the one most epic one. I guess last summer there's a big natural disaster and wiped out the whole trail leading into this sweet viewpoint that they just haven't fixed. And I think with all the tourism they get, they could really use those funds to expedite construction. But I know inflation is high. Maybe want to pocket the money for a bit. But I think that would improve the experience on the Argentinian side. And maybe it would be better because honestly, the Argentinian side has more trails. You kind of hike through the jungle, and the Brazil side is a little bit more commercialized. But yeah, that's just my personal experience. And now I'm off to northern Argentina, and that's it for now from Iguaçu Falls. Hope you enjoyed, and on to the next one. Vamos.